Alright there, Seth, what are we doing today?
We're replacing my battery because, well, you're replacing my battery because I don't know anything about cars, and I'm pretty sure everybody on your channel would hate me if I tried to explain to him what a quadro motor rotator is.
Well, guess what, Seth? I'm not doing shit.
You're gonna finally teach me?
I'll sit there and film it because I think it'll be funny.
Okay.
Fake enthusiasm. Welcome to the channel.
Yay!
Yours actually isn't that bad to get to, though.
Yeah, just the hose always gets in the way. You know, them hose.
Them hose.
Always get in the way.
Since we're replacing the battery, I'll tell you this. Let's see if this is the right.
Oh,
Nope.
oh.
Honestly, this will probably come in handy more than any of those.
I was just gonna unscrew this guy right up here because I gotta take this off.
Here's the thing about side post batteries. The post is on the side, so this will be going up and down, right? So you can just go like this.
Okay.
If it helps, I already loosened that one. I always forget about your cool D-ring of wrenches. What is this guy? And like 90 times out of 7, it's 5/16, which I'm not finding anywhere.
Yeah, I think I gotta move the air hose thing because shit's not gonna.
If you want to move it, man, go ahead. By all means.
I'm going to. So.
I wish I brought gloves.
Well,
You don't need that.
there might be some gloves around here that you can use. That's what's called, right? An air hose?
Sure.
Just trying to learn. So you're saying that these won't work on it?
No.
Maybe this will work better? Because it's a lot bigger than... I don't know where I put the other one.
They're in your intake hose.
Oh, that's what it is.
Wait, what'd you call it?
An air hose.
Oh, yeah, they're in your air hose.
I don't know, man. I think I should just use a socket.
If you think you can get to it, by all means. Hey, bud.
Works.
Cool.
Oh, fuck. Where did that go? Oh, no. I'll never be able to use a socket part again. Just got it.
You literally just opened it.
Oh, I am like a little fucking mad right now.
A little.
Maybe it just fell through.
No, I didn't hear it hit the ground.
I was like, oh, it's such a great deal. I'm gonna use this for everything, and then we're here.
You use it for one thing and it fucking implodes.
So why wouldn't a wrench work? Why wouldn't these work?
It would work. That would be ideal, but those are the wrong size. Ooh. Jesus. Cool. Hey, there you go.
This is my tool set.
Oh, dude.
Yeah.
We could use this light.
Let's do that. Let's be official.
Yeah. Son of a bitch.
Oh, those are really big. That's dumb.
Perfect.
Oh, wait. You know what? Oh, my God.
I'm having so much fun with this.
Let's hook up here. Oh, that's sweet. Look at that. Fucking bitchin'.
Another... Yeah, there you go. That'll work.
I know how to work these. We used them in shop class.
Ooh.
I know.
You took a class on shopping? Oh, boy. Yeah, I know how to work these, he says.
I do. Shut up.
Proceeds to fuck about with them.
I need a wrench.
Ooh, try. I'm gonna call them what they are. Try those channel locks right up there. Yes. Legitimately proud.
Thanks. There we go. Ow. Ow. Why are there such little... Man, side mounts are stupid.
Yes, I agree.
Yeah, lures are cool. What the fuck are you doing with side mounts?
This motherfucker's had 3 people compliment his 2003 Olds Alero.
I don't know why.
You're going the wrong way.
I was going the wrong way?
You are going the wrong way.
If I go this way?
Yes.
Well, okay, so I was going the right way.
Oh.
Ow!
I'm not sure which way you're going anymore. You agreed with me, and then it looked like you were going the wrong way again.
I was going this way.
No, you need to go this way.
No, son of a bitch. I don't think it's doing anything.
Are you going to be upset if I get it?
I'll be happy, but yeah, a little upset.
I think I got it. Oh, I just fucking shattered your car.
You popped my trunker.
That's what it sounded like, too.
You did. I think you did.
What?
Yeah, popped my trunk.
What the fuck? Nice car, man.
They're reliable and they look good.
Fuck off. Now there's just a little retainer bolt down there, which almost feels hand tight, but not quite because it hurt. Maybe a ½ inch. Yes.
Stop filming me! I'm so disappointed in myself right now.
You put the wrong side on?
I couldn't afford more than that.
I can't stop laughing.
It's like down here. It was there. Like, and I drove it for a week.
That's amazing.
Without it. Got it.
Well, that's just proof it's redundant then.
Yeah, I know, right?
Like most of the oil stayed just fine.
Yeah. Like, what the hell?
Let's head to Walmart to get another battery then.
Oh, let's just cut myself. Okay, yeah, let's do that.
Alright, to Walmart, get another battery. Not gonna forget this guy. Jesus.
Yeah. It's reliable. I gotta get the battery, right?
Yeah, I forgot. My bad, pal.
You're recording right now?
Yeah.
Yeah. You wanna say what's up?
What up?
No one's gonna watch it anyway. There's a little menu thing here that you can use. Can't see it. Stupid fucking LCD.
Yeah, why they put that so long, stupid? Can you move it up?
Oh. Alright.
Oh wait, no, it's just 87. Yeah, no, I'm still...
Yeah, the only advantage of that is it has 100 more cold cranking amps, so it'll do it just a little bit better in the winter, but you're already going from a shit battery to a new one, so.
I'm on the battery.
Ha 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 ha. I actually don't think I ever locked it again.
So why do they sound liquidy? Like,
Because there's acid inside them. Yeah, you can drink it.
don't you get high off of that?
I think you'll get dead.
Oh.
I mean, this should be the easiest part. You've already done everything you need to do. Now just do it in reverse.
It's not, so that's the thing.
Yeah.
You say it's,
Yeah, it never goes like
I
that.
guarantee you it's not.
Yeah. Looks good to me.
It's not in all the way.
That's what she said.
Kind of regret that laugh.
I'm gonna start the video off with that laugh.
Please don't.
When the battery's out, we should have looked for that one thing. Well, there we go. Well, not seeing it. Put it back in. Jeez. Oh, ah! Fuck! You gave me a little pinch.
I'm sorry, man. I was just trying to push it back some.
Never helping you again. Me and the light are out of here. You almost pinched me to death.
Fuck. God damn it. Got it.
There you go. I honestly wouldn't even worry about that mount. As hard as it was to get in there, you think it's just gonna rattle loose?
Good point.
But I cut corners a lot. You guys have seen the truck. The old wiggle test.
Make sure this is in there.
Don't forget to put the suck tunnel back on. You were never really good with your rights and lefts, huh? No. Righty tighty, lefty tighty.
Starts up.
Yahoo!
I got the shaft.
If y'all want a good-looking, fast, reliable car, old Zalero.
Fast.
Reliable. I don't even know what it's gonna be. I can't stop.
Fuck off. And that's how it's.
Alright.
It's not even gonna be funny either. I'm just trying to make it as serious.
Just trying to do an outro. Alright.
And that, folks, is how you change a battery in Oldsmobile 2003 Alero.
It's all you.
So like, comment, subscribe to Snydertron 3000. Wrecked it.